The only mask left in Japan. Hey, mask on. Mask off. What? Mask on. Mask off. What was that? Man. Hi, the coronavirus is now in Japan. It's not the Toyota Corona. It's not the Corona beer, which is actually very delicious. The coronavirus. Now, this virus, the coronavirus, is not new. The flu is a type of coronavirus, but this is a new strain, all right? So a lot of misinformation is out there, and persons, as usual, doing the most, and then persons also being dicks. Now, the outbreak of this virus is not an excuse to be racist or xenophobic. That many persons have shared that sentiment. But guys, to be honest, people don't need an excuse to be racist or xenophobic. They just are. And it's really bad. Asians around the world are now facing discrimination because of the fear of this virus. This new virus passes from human to human, which is unlike other viruses that pass from animal to human and whatever. Now, masks have gone out of stock in many countries in Asia, especially Japan. There are none in the convenience stores. I got this before the coronavirus was really getting on crazy. And stock prices for a company that makes masks in Japan went up 400% from 500 yen to 2,000 yen. That's a jump of like $5 US to $20. Fam, if you had bought the stock, you would have been making bank. Sorry. But yeah, that's another thing. A lot of fear mongering, a lot of overhyping in the media, a lot of these things and misinformation have been spread. I got a text that said, oh, you should keep your throat moist because that's how the virus enters you. At one point I said, wait, this was weird. And I said, well, you should be drinking water anyway. So that doesn't mean anything. You know, one of the main reasons this virus is being passed around is because of lack of proper hygiene. Persons not washing their hands with soap properly. And, you know, let's be honest. Let's be honest, I've been living in Asia for a while. That is a real problem. You should be washing your hands with soap regardless of if there's a virus out or not. Once you use the bathroom, you interact with the germs. You should be washing your hands with soap. Now, if you live in Japan, you know that's a problem, especially the males. Yo, you go into the bathroom and they take a piss and they go to the sink and they put their hands there and do this action of fake washing hands, or they just put their hands in the sink and take it back out and walk out. No water has touched your hands, no soap has touched your hands. And I'm wondering, you know, is this something that, you know, could spread a disease? Well, if you're not washing your hands, people, it's going to spread. And then you touch yourself after, then it goes into the membranes of your eyes, the mucous membrane, I think I said, yeah. Some masks are effective and some aren't. And it also depends on how you wear them. According to Japanese makers, this is really important, guys. People have been wearing masks wrong a lot in Japan. So you see these here, this here, the inside part here should not be on the inside. You heard it here first. I was told. This part should be on the outside. Okay? Because if it's here on the inside, it can form a little pocket of space for germs to enter, right? If you fit it on here, you can see it has a little pocket there now at the side that they can enter through. So you should actually be wearing it like this. All right? This is how you should be wearing your mask, with this part facing on the outside. Yeah, much better, but it's still small from my face. Our friend shared a story on her Instagram that said that one of her friends' husband was in America, and white people were scorning them and staying away from them and acting all, you know, weird around them and telling them to stay away and whatever. But that's rather interesting. So there are 2 points I want to make to this. One, just like my friend said in her story, don't act like white people have not been spreading plagues around the world from the beginning of time. Yes, you Anglo-Saxons, Caucasians have been doing it. That's how you beat the Taínos or Arawaks in the Caribbean, because you brought your sickness and flu virus to them, and you started the bubonic plague and all that stuff. I've been doing that. So let's just not act like this is something foreign to you. And two, the now worship of white people that the Asians, especially Japanese, have, that Japanese person has been affected by that. So now they realize that, you know, white people are not all cracked up as they are to be. You know, they're not up on some pedestal. Oh, you blonde hair, blue-eyed god or goddess, we worship you and your beauty. You are amazing and awesome. That's gonna be cut out real fast for many people. But please, guys, don't be racist, don't be stupid, don't be dicks. Be careful. Just practice good hygiene. and try to be safe. Drink your vitamin C's, drink your water, be clean, be cleansing. I mean, hope those who are affected by the coronavirus will recover speedily. Most of the deaths have been with persons who are older and have weaker immune systems. So yeah, let's be safe, all right? And let's get our information right when we're doing stuff, guys, and don't contribute to the fear mongering and the dissemination of false information. The coronavirus, boy, I don't know. Yeah, that's it. All right, see you in the next video. Peace. Boom. Well, one positive from the coronavirus is that, for me at least, I'm not the most scary foreigner in Japan at this moment. I get a little break from that. Thank you, China. Eek!